In this lesson, we're going to learn the word de. De is a preposition in Spanish that can mean of or from, depending on the context. It's a very common and important word that helps us show possession, origin, and relationship between things. Let's explore how to use de with some clear examples so you can understand its different meanings and uses. Let's look at two examples where de means of. In the first example, we can read El libro de colores. This translates directly as the book of colors. It refers to a book that teaches or shows different colors. Not a coloring book, but rather a book about colors. In the second example, we can read El libro de María. This shows possession in Spanish. Instead of saying Maria's book, we say the book of Maria. It's how we express that something belongs to someone. El lápiz de madera. The word-for-word translation is the pencil of wood, which means the pencil made of wood or the wooden pencil. El balón de plástico. The word-for-word translation is the ball of plastic, which means the ball made of plastic, or the plastic ball. Here the word de means of, and it is helping us describe what something is made of. La pieza de metal, the metal piece, or the piece of metal. La casa de Carlos, Carlos's house. El balón de Miguel, Miguel's ball. Let's look at two examples where de means from. Ella es de Chile. This shows point of origin. She is from Chile. The second example reads, El regalo es de Iván. This means the gift is from Iván. It comes from or was given by Iván. It's important to point out that El regalo es de Iván can mean either the gift is from Iván or the gift belongs to Iván, depending on the context. Ella es de Canadá. She is from Canada. Nosotros somos de Guatemala. We are from Guatemala. Well done! You've just completed the short lesson on the common preposition de. In the practice and review lesson for this module, we'll work through a variety of exercises that bring together what you've learned here and in earlier modules. Once you're comfortable with the material, you'll be ready to move on to the next lesson.